Hey everybody, my name is Dowden, and in this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you a way to mix your tracks in under 60 seconds. The way to achieve this is by using something called pink noise, and bringing that at a certain volume in your track and bringing up every element in your mix until that sound or element comes just above the audible level of the pink noise, which will give you a fairly balanced rough mix very, very quickly. So what is pink noise? Pink noise is a full spectrum noise that has an equal response to the human ear across the whole spectrum. This means every frequency we hear in the noise sounds the same volume to us, which gives us a great reference point to bring up the levels of our track so that they sound fairly balanced. Let's go ahead and mix the track, but before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So this is what the pink noise sounds like by itself. And this is what the track sounds like unmixed. So I'm gonna grab every instrument except for the pink noise and bring it down to 0 and start my mix now. Okay, so that was exactly 60 seconds. I did it really quickly. Obviously, you don't have to rush this much, but let's take a listen to the mix now. There we go. We have a fairly rough mix in under a minute. Of course, we need to fine tune the mix and you don't need to rush as fast as I did. And when you're mixing, make sure to bring your pink noise down to at least -12 or 15 decibels. So when you bring up the elements, they are going to leave you enough headroom for the mastering stage of your track. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe with notifications on so you get more videos like this one. And if you learned something, make sure to hit that like button.